When I talk to product leaders, they say that one new skill has emerged as the most important new skill for PMs in years, and it's AI evals. No, it's not testing rebranded under a new name. AI evals is a fundamentally new skill set that, because of how AI works, we need to understand. Better than developers, better than designers, better than the CEO and business people, PMs are fundamentally placed in a position that they should be owning the evals. They have the knowledge of the business, of the customer, and of the technology. It is one of those rare places where PMs are clearly the right person to own it, and that's why PMs need to master this skill. Even if you're not building an AI feature today, you might think of AI as an API that you could call for a future feature. And once you call that AI, you need to learn how to do AI evals. For my money, this is one of the most important new skills for PMs in 2026. And so today we're going to take you from noob to expert. We're going to talk about why they matter. We're going to give you the intuition around AI evals so that you can then apply that intuition. And we're going to show you the exact metrics, the exact tools to use to apply that, to build LLM judges, so that when you ship an AI feature, what actually goes out to production works. It's not radically different from your prototype, which unfortunately is the case for most AI products today. And we're doing this with Ankit Shukla, who has created one of the most popular episodes of all time on this podcast. It is currently the #2 episode of all time. So what we wanted to do in this episode was replicate the care that we brought to that episode, bring you all the curriculums and frameworks so that you can really understand AI evals. So without further ado, Ankit, welcome to the podcast.
Thanks a lot for having me again, Aakash. And till this day, I think we have done that podcast about 3 months ago. And till this day, I almost get like a couple of messages every day on my LinkedIn appreciating the content of that podcast. So thanks a lot for creating that content with me.
It's so evergreen. Like some months it's my top podcast episode, even though I've released other new podcasts. So it continues to grow. True testament to the value we put there. What are we going to do in today's episode that's different from all the other AI evals content out there that people might have seen?
Yeah. So understand, most of AI product management is actually product management only. But there is this one skill that is new and most of the PMs are not aware about it. And that skill is eventually to go ahead and write good kind of evaluations for your system. Now, what is happening in the market is that I could see a lot of content is being posted around evals, but most of the content is still like introductory level or an intermediate level content. And we lack, let's say, real examples. And most of the examples are hypothetical. So I thought that why don't we create this episode so that anyone who has an aspiration to become or pursue like the AI product management career seriously, they should be able to understand with crystal clarity that this is how I should approach evals. Understand evals is not, let's say, one thing is going to fit everyone, but I'm going to tell you the nuances that you need to take care of. And we'll be walking a bit today with a framework so that you can write strong evals for almost any kind of product if you follow these kind of practices. So that is my promise for today.
AI evals are not the only important new skill for product managers. The second most important skill is AI prototyping. And the problem with most of the AI prototyping tools out there on the market is that they're trying to be low-code, no-code tool alternatives. They're trying to allow you to create an entire startup. Today's episode is brought to you by Reforge Build, which takes a completely different approach to AI prototyping. They are putting the product manager at the center, and they have architected the product in that way. So whether it's quickly picking up the design system or generating divergent alternatives, you can do it all with Reforge Build. And you can get a full year free of the paid version if you use Aakash's bundle. So whether you sign up for Aakash's bundle or not, go check the link in the description, try out Reforge Build. And now back in today's episode with Ankit. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.